What do you make of the price action? You talked to us last week about the unstable ruler. It is inherently unstable. Everything feels very much on edge, and in some ways that yen move speaks to this.
Yeah, I mean, the market's kind of been pushing in that direction for some time. I mean, if you look at the yield differential between, say, US 10-year yields and JGB 10-year yields, like, it's obviously very, very wide. And that's creating that pressure on the currency. And, you know, it's very uncomfortable for Japan right now. I'm actually surprised they've held the line for so long, right? They have inflation's high, much higher than it's been for many, many years. And inflation expectations have been rising as well. So there's surely got to be some people, at least in the Bank of Japan, that are beginning to get at least a little bit concerned here. But they've held the line thus far, and the market's kind of been pushing them, I guess. You know, the dollar yen now up at 150, which just adds to inflationary pressures in the longer run as well. So yeah, clearly it's a very unstable situation, and anything can happen in this situation like this.
Well, I think that's such a key point. Anything can happen, Liz, and this was one of the things. Like, if you put a list on all the things that's going to rock the bond market, this is number one on the list. Not in terms of changing the yield curve control policy, and this is sort of maybe the first step that goes into that. What do you think?
Yeah, Alex, it seems like all those maybe problems keep seeming to pan out. I mean, the Bank of Japan didn't change the policy yet, but that pressure is building, right? We have all the supply we've talked about. We have the economy continue to be strong. Saw the JOLTS data today, right? And somebody said, what happened to the job market rolling over? Not happening, right? So there just seems to be a lot of factors that are just keeping the momentum going with the rise, especially in long-term rates, have just taken off.